Good morning, students. I am Payal from DAV Centenary Public School, Napa. Students, look at these alphabets. This is the alphabets of English. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. And tell me, how many vowels are there out of these 26 alphabets? There are 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. These are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels out of 26 alphabets. Students, today we are going to learn AI sound words. AI. What is the sound of A? The sound of A is A or A. And the sound of I is E. So students, when two vowels come together, now its sounds are A. The sound of two vowels is A. When A and I comes together, then they will make a sound of A. So let's take an example. Look at the picture of A sound words. Students, look at the first picture. What is written here? Tail. Then how can we say with sounds? T, A, L, tail. Students, here the sound of T is T and the sound of A and the sound of L is L. So it is tail. The next example is snail. Look at here the picture of snail. It is almost found in the rivers or sea. Snail. What is the sound of snail? S, N, A, L. Snail. Sound of S is S. Sound of N is N. And sound of AI, two vowel sound, is A. And sound of L is L. And the sound of snail is S, N, A, L. Snail. Let's take another example. It's R, A, N. What is it? Rain. Look at the picture. R, A, N. Rain. Next example. Next is train. Look at here, students, the picture of train. So how can we produce the sound of train? What is the sound of T? T. And what is the sound of R? R. And what is the sound of two vowels A-I? A. And what is the sound of N? N. Train. T. R. A. N. Train. Look at another picture. Drain. D, R, A, N. Train. Again, D, R, A, N. Drain. So students, let's take some another example. What do you see in this picture? There is nail. And the sound of nail is N, A, L. Nail. And the spelling of nail is N, A, I, L. Nail. What do you see in this picture? There are some paint colors and paint brushes there also. So paint, I have found some another word, that is paint. that is related to A sound word. P, A, N, T. Paint. And the spelling of paint is P, A, I, N, T. Paint. Students, let's find some other words that is related AI sound word, and you just write down in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.